Philomena?
From London.
From London. Las Vegas, put your hands together for these beautiful ladies. Very brave and beautiful ladies, Philomena. Come up here. Now let me look at you. Turn around. Fellas, I gotta tell you, I have found the one. Tug, did you bring your camera tonight? So I'm gonna take a photo of me and Philomena. We'll put this on Instagram. Come on, here. It's beautiful. Now, Philomena, I did say before there was only one thing that I needed my girl to know how to do. Well, I lied. I'm sorry. Tell me, can you dance?
I can dance.
Do you trust me?
I trust you.
Come here, a little closer. Come on. You got some moves. Did you bring your passport? We're not going to leave it there, Philomena. I've got another surprise for you. I'm going to ask you to sing with us now.
I can't sing.
This is going to be easy, don't you worry. I'll start, I'll sing. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. And then I want you to sing. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Can you do that with us?
When it's cold outside,
I've got the month of May.
I've got the month of May.
Give us some encouragement, everybody. Well,
Sunshine on a cloudy day.
come on, Philomena. You can do it.
I can't sing. It's cold outside. I'm the month of May.
Enjoy that. Now Pete is going to take us right back to your seat. One more round of applause for Philomena from London, everybody. Now, I want to hear you all singing.